What if I told you that you could fire your boss, wear your own comfortable clothes in anywhere in the world, and earn a full-time income by using your own laptop or mobile devices? You heard me right. Hey guys, I'm Benedict and this is my channel, and I'm excited to explain you about all about this channel and explain you about all about VAs. And today we're breaking down one of the absolute biggest trends in the world, remote remote world, is like virtual assistant or VA. Whether you are a student or looking for a side hustle, stay at home parents, or someone completely burned out by 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. grind, this video is for you. In the next 7 minutes, we're going to cover exactly what is a VA, why businesses are begging to hire them right now, how it can completely transform your bank account, and mostly importantly, where you can find jobs, free groups, and training to start from scratch today. So let's go. Think of it being a executive assistant but entirely online. And no, we don't need corporate degree for this. VAs do a massive variety of tasks. For example, you could be doing administrative work, managing emails, scheduling appointment, or then data entry. Social media management is one of the biggest trends in the community. Scheduling Instagram posts, replying to comments, or designing simply graphics on Canva. Technical support, managing online stores, uploading YouTube shorts or YouTube videos, or updating website blogs. The best part, you choose what you want to specialize in based on what you already enjoy doing. Like, for example, you are enjoying managing emails. Yeah, that's right. And for another example, you are you want to create some YouTube videos, then you can simply apply for VAs such as technical support. So why are VAs in such high demand? Why is everybody talking about VAs or virtual assistant? Why is the demand skyrocketing? Well, look around. The world business has shifted entirely online. Even educational or even jobs are found online. Millions of new e-commerce brands, content creators, TikTokers, and startup founders are launching every single year. These entrepreneurs are incredibly busy. They know how to create products or videos, but they don't have a time to answer 500 or even more customers' email or schedule their calendar. Hiring a full-time in-office employee is incredibly expensive for them because of office space, benefits, and taxes. But hiring a talented virtual assistant is a win-win. They get their time back, and you get a flexible, high-paying remote role. Business literally need a VAs to survive and scale. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for. The money. How can become a VA help you financially? Or how can a virtual assistant help you financially? When you are a VA, when you are a virtual assistant, you aren't bound by a standard minimum wage. You are a business owner, beginner. VAs typically start anywhere from $5 to $15 an hour. Yeah, $5 to 15 hour. That's equivalent to 250 pesos or even like 300 pesos right now, depending on your location and platform also. But as you gain specialized skills like copywriting, video editing, or tech setup, you can easily charge up to $25, $30, or even $50 up for just 1 hour. Yeah. So let's do some quick math. If you work 20 hours a week, that contains 7 days at the $20 an hour, that's $400 a week or $1,600 a month. On the side, if you take a full time, you can easily scale up to life-changing income. It gives you the power to pay off the debt, building your savings, and financially independent. Alright, so you're excited, so you're ready to start, but where do you actually find these clients? You don't have to look blindly. Here are the best websites you should check out right now. Upwork and Fiverr, the biggest global freelancing platform, perfect for creating a profile and bidding on active job postings. Online job PH and virtual assistant.ph. Excellent platform for finding stable and long-term remote employers from countries like US, UK, and Australia. Remote.co, a great platform especially curated for 100% remote position, including great entry level for VAs jobs like you don't have any experience at all. And I'll just drop the website on the description below. Don't navigate this journey alone. You need a community. Look up Facebook groups like Virtual Assistant Savies or Freelance Virtual Assistant. Search Discord or local Facebook groups for virtual assistant communities. These are gold mines for networking, getting advice from someone, and someone finding clients who post jobs directly in the group chat. So we're already done. But what if you don't have any skills yet? Don't worry. The internet is literally free university for you. Like I said earlier, some educational purposes can be researched online. If you want to fast track your success, look for online courses websites like Udemy and Coursera. Have incredibly affordable, top-rated courses, especially on how to become a virtual assistant. You can also find entirely free certification on HubSpot Academy for social media and email marketing, or Google free digital marketing tracks. Spend just 1 hour a day learning, and within a few weeks, you'll have a portfolio ready to fish in for clients. Yeah, we're done. The only thing standing between you and your dream remote career is just taking the very first step. I know it's hard that we can take the first step yet, but trust me, when you go to your first step, it will become even more better in the future. Yeah. If this video inspired you, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below letting me know what you want to learn first. Thank you guys so much for watching my first vlog, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!